My 3D printer is going nuts. I'm printing I'm printing my own PVC poles out of PLA for IGOW. Pretty excited for that. Are you guys going to do that? If you're not doing IGOW, do it because it's free, and you just have to set up some things for it. I've been 3D printing the things and then making so that I can stick it in, and then I have like this little adapter so that I can extend it, and then eventually I'm gonna have everything ready for. Oh, this fits perfectly. The other one, it didn't fit perfectly. Oh, this is interesting. That means the other one probably didn't fit. Oh, see, this one's loose and then this one's tighter. Very interesting. Okay, yeah, so getting ready for IGOW. Hopefully you are too. If you're not, go do it. Get a whoop. Do some IGOW. We'll all get better together. When I first got my discus going, I put a SpeedyBee 800 whatever VTX in it, and the channels, like, it changed or whatever, but it wasn't actually changing. So I was stuck in 25 milliwatts, and it was terrible. Have you had a VTX stuck at 25 milliwatts? All the nightmares that we have to deal with, like trying to learn FPV and everything. Anyways, enjoy the little cut that I put together, and I will see you very soon.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, we need my right day. Oh, we can do this every day. Oh, will you be my ride or die? I can't get it up. Just a feeling.